Murugamo wao wa kururungana o muthenya wa mwambiririo nduri uragia kindu kingionina kuneno ni thiku ya 43 kuma riria manathia maigire miro yao thi. Atongoria a kiama giki no mathiite nambere na kuhinyiriria thirikari igirire uhoro uyu na ihenya ta uria kwahoteka. Morris Opetu ni muikariri giti wa kiama giki.
We have negotiated the CBA, we have concluded, we have agreed. And the only thing that is remaining is the signing of that CBA. Then we wait for its implementation by start of July. We want to tell the community of Kenya that it is high time the people of Kenya, the society, the common man, take stock of their suffering.
Oho Opetu neugite igeria ria thirikari ria kuhurana na murimo wa kolera ria hota kuringa ihiga angikorwo manathi matigokorwo makinyita itemi.
The right management for cholera is a nursing, total bedside nursing care. You can't treat cholera in any other way you treat other diseases or any other infections. Cholera treatment needs very rigorous observation and administration of IV fluids, which is only done by nurses.
Mugomo wa Arigitani ni utigeti arwaru aingi makihinyiririka muno aria matari na uhoti. Atongoria ni moritie thirikari yunanire njungwa na niguo yariririe ndugamano eno iria tumite mugomo uyu wa marigitari ya gikiro kia nurses ingire thiku ya 43 hatari na kihoto. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.